1 number question. Which company first established railway line in Assam and when? A. Assam Railway and Trading Company in 1881. B. Assam Oil Company in 1881. C. Assam River Steam and Navigation Company in 1881. D. None of the above. Right answer. A. Assam Railway and Trading Company in 1881. 2 number question. The first 20 km long railway line in Assam was established from A. Amlapati of Dibrugarh to Dinjam River. B. Dhubri to Barpeta. C. Goalpara to Nalbari. D. None of the above. Right answer. A. Amlapati of Dibrugarh to Dinjam River. 3 number question. The Assam Bengal Railway Company was established in A. 1891 AD. B. 1896 AD. C. 1900 AD. D. 1902 AD. Right answer. A. 1891 AD. 4 number question. The Assam Bengal Railway Volunteer Rifles, ABRVR, was established in A. 1901 AD. B. V. 1902 AD. C. 1903 AD. D. 1904 AD. Right answer. A. 1901 AD. 5 number question. The Assam Bengal Railway Volunteer Rifles, ABRVR, was later renamed as A. Assam Bengal Railway Force. B. Assam Bengal Railway Staff. C. Assam Bengal Railway Army. D. Assam Bengal Railway Battalion. Right answer. D. Assam Bengal Railway Battalion. 6 number question. In 1942 the Assam Bengal Rail, ABR, was changed as A. Bengal Assam Railway, BAR. B. Bengal Assam Province Railway. C. Bengal Province Railway. D. None of the above. Right answer. A. Bengal Assam Railway, BAR. 7 number question. After partition of India in 1947 the Northeast India was connected to the rest of India by a narrow space. It is called as A. Chickens Corridor or Siliguri Corridor. B. Giraffes Corridor. C. Crocodiles Corridor. D. None of the above. Right answer. A. Chickens Corridor or Siliguri Corridor. 8 number question. In 1958 the railway service zone in Northeast India was named as A. Assam Railway. B. Northeastern Railway. C. Northeast Frontier Railway. D. None of the above. Right answer. C. Northeast Frontier Railway. 9 number question. During the British period in total how many miles of railways were established? A. 439 miles. B. 440 miles. C. 445 miles. D. 446 miles. Right answer. A. 439 miles. 10 number question. At what time Birchandra Manikya ruled in Tripura? A. 1860 to 1966. B. 1862 to 1996. C. 1864 to 1900. D. 1861 to 1995. Right answer. B. 1862 to 1996. 11 number question. Who was the founder of modernization in Tripura? A. Birchandra Manikya. B. Radha Kishore Manikya. C. Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. D. Kirit Bikram. Right answer. A. Birchandra Manikya. 12 number question. Who was the Deovan of Birchandra? A. Neelmani Das. B. Umakanta Das. C. Dhananjoy Thakur. D. Radha Raman Ghosh. Right answer. A. Neelmani Das. 13 number question. Who was the minister of Birchandra? A. Neelmani Das. B. Dinabandhu Thakur. C. Dhananjoy Thakur. D. Umakanta Das. Right answer. B. Dinabandhu Thakur. 14 number question. When was the Agartala municipality formed? A. 1870. B. 1875. C. 1872. D. 1871. Right answer. D. 1871. 15 number question. Who joined as a Dewan under the Bengal government? A. Neelmani Das. B. Umakanta Das. C. Radha Raman Ghosh. D. None of them. Right answer. A. Neelmani Das. 16 number question. When was first post office started at Agartala? A. 1895. B. 1885. C. 1875. D. 1865. Right answer. C. 1875. 17 number question. Who stopped the slavery system in Tripura? A. Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. B. Birchandra Manikya. C. Ratna Manikya. D. Radha Kishore Manikya. Right answer. B. Birchandra Manikya. 18 number question. When was the slavery system stopped in Tripura? A. 1860. B. 1867. C. 1888. D. 1878. Right answer. D. 1878. 19 number question. Who was Umakanta Das Bahadur? A. Assistant political agent. B. Political agent. C. Dewan. D. Minister. Right answer. A. Assistant political agent. 20 number question. Who founded Umakanta Academy? A. Umakanta Das. B. Radha Kishore Manikya. C. Birchandra Manikya. D. Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. Right answer. C. Birchandra Manikya.